government of Ghana received a grant from the government of the People's Republic of China to implement the 300 Village Satellite TV project. And in collaboration with the Chinese Embassy in Ghana, the ministry launched it on 26 September 2018. The project provides each village with 2 sets of solar-powered projector TV systems in 2 public viewing stations and 1 solar-powered 32-inch digital TV integrated with the digital decoder. These 900 public viewing stations will enjoy free digital TV broadcasts in perpetuity. Additionally, 20 households would also be supplied with set-top boxes each as part of government's universal service policy. Thank you. These 6,000 homes will have 6 months free viewing. StarTimes is the contractor contracted by the Chinese government to provide these services. I am happy to announce that the implementation team has installed and commissioned all the devices in 285 villages out of the targeted 300 villages. And that's just since 26 September this year.